What's going on, y'all? JT with the unboxing of the new Traxxas Maxx. I guess they're calling this the version 2. You guys know that this week I have put up a couple of videos about it, so people had got it. So I was like, ooh, that's coming out soon. So go and behold, I have one sitting right here. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this. The difference between this and the previous Maxx, of course, is it has the wide kit on here, and it is about an inch or two longer than the previous Maxx. And this does come in 6 different colors. It comes with the sledgehammer tires and wheels, and everything else is kind of the stuff that the actual version 1 Maxx has on it. The gear ratio might be different. They might have put a smaller pinion gear. I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to try to get this open, at least look at a couple of things in here to see exactly what they did with this. I know there's some differences, but the biggest thing is going to be that this is actually longer and it has the wide kit on it, and it's only $579. I believe the current Maxx is $549 or $559. So 20-30 bucks more. My opinion, get this. Don't even get the other Maxx. Go ahead and get this because it's going to be worth your money. Because by the time you buy the regular Maxx, you buy the wide kit for it. And then if they have a conversion kit for this, you're going to be well over the price of this. So if you don't have a Maxx, thought about getting one, this is going to be the one to get. Because I did see some videos of this running already, and it does seem to handle good. So let me go ahead. Let's get this box open. Let's see what we got up in here. Oh, yeah. There he is. Oh, yeah. You got to love the smell of a new RC car. Look at that. That looks good, too. So I got the orange color here. There's, like I said, there's 6 different colors you can choose from. And I believe the paint scheme is a little bit different on these versions than it is on the previous version. So get this over here, put this box down. Let me get this straightened out just a little bit. All right, pulling this out. So you guys know that this comes with their TQI radio with Bluetooth. I have no issues with this. They've had this for a long time out there, and I don't think anyone's had any issues with this. I haven't had any problems with it. It does have TSM and everything on there, and also the self-riding. If you want to use that function, I only do it sometimes in the grass. And then also you get up in here a bag of goodies too. So you get another battery strap in here because this can fit a bigger battery, and you get some foam spacers, some instructions. So I probably won't even open this up because I'm going to leave this probably as I have some big lipos I'm going to put in there. So anyway, back to the meat of this is going to be this truck. So this truck actually looks good, and these tires are a little bit bigger than I had anticipated. I kind of thought they were going to be the size of the ones that I got for my Haas, but they're a little bit bigger than that. So that's a good thing. Now, one thing I am curious about is going to be the body and fitting other bodies on here. So what I have over here to the side is my Maxx. I'm not going to go in all these technical details of this, blah, 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 etc., etc. You guys know the Traxxas Maxx. You guys know what Traxxas is putting up in here. 540 XL long motor. The Millennium speed controller that's 4S capable. It's not 6S capable, so you guys see all that in there. So I'm not going to even go into detail about this, but you guys see one of the biggest differences you could tell is look at that space there with that motor, between the motor and the speed controller. When I get my other one out, you'll see. But I am curious if my Proline body is still going to fit on, because you can use probably about 99% of the parts on the Maxx on this one, like the Proline body mount, so they didn't change that, which is good. So let me get this other Maxx real quick, and let's take a look at them. All right, so got these out. Of course, this is my current Maxx, and I'm going to take this body off. I'm so curious as to if these Proline bodies will fit on here, because that'll be great if they can, because that way you'll have body options. And I know that's something that I was curious about when they first announced, because this body is actually pretty big. It actually fits over the back of the lights there. So, and I don't need to go into detail showing you guys the differences between the two, because there's not. I mean, the main difference is going to be, of course, the length of the chassis. That's going to be it. So drum roll, please. And that's actually going to be a good fit. Let me move this over just a little bit. So yeah, that'll work. Look at that. That actually looks good too. And look at that, the bumper. You can actually see it. So if I put the light kit on, that'll work. So I'll probably have to redo the hose. I don't want to really put any more holes in this body, but that'll work. Look at that. That looks good. So that's a good thing. So you guys know that the bodies that you got for the Maxx will fit on there. And I will be putting this body on there, not the original body, because basically these Proline mounts for the Maxx, they can bolt right on. Take this off real quick. They can bolt right on to this particular chassis here. This looks a little different. This front chassis brace, I am seeing some small differences. This piece right here is a little bit different than it is right there on the Maxx. Let me shed a little light. There we go. There we go. So that's a little bit different, but it's still not going to stop you from putting these particular mounts front and rear on this vehicle. And I'm so glad that they didn't make it so long to where you can't use other particular bodies for it. And look at this. And this is a lifesaver. This huge battery tray. Now we ain't got to worry about getting smaller 4S lipos to fit in. You can probably fit a good 6S in here too. Probably a small 6S of 4000, but I plan on running this on 4S with this. So you guys know, like I said, everything else is pretty much max. You guys seeing the tires there. These are my Power Hobby tires, and of course these are the Sledgehammer tires. And you guys see the differences in height there. So these are a little bit taller, but they're also a little bit thinner, which is going to be fine for that. But that's going to be it, guys. I'm not even going to go into detail about this. I want to get this running. I know you guys want to see it running too. You know, I'm crack fiending, so I can't wait to get this out, get this running. You guys know I basically have an orange Max right now, and I got an X Max. So now I got the Max version 1, Max version 2, and I got the X Max, E Max maxed out over here. So anyway, guys, put your comments down below. I will be getting this running soon. We'll be doing some speed test, Super Speed Saturday on this. Stock out the box, see what kind of speeds we get, and see how these tires and stuff handle. I'm not sure if these are belted. I don't think they are, but I've seen some videos and these seem to handle pretty good straight out the box without any serious ballooning or anything. But we're going to get that tested real soon. But y'all, I'm so glad that that fits on there. You guys don't know, because that's going to look nice. That's going to look real nice once I get that set up. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below. If you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.